Hi guys, welcome to update 1 on now Hurricane Delta. I would have done an update sometime this morning, but I have school, as you may know if you follow me on Instagram. So uploads will be less frequent, but I will be able to do one tonight as you are watching this video, and tomorrow in the morning. Let's get into it. As you can see, Delta has some good banding features and some really good cloud tops blowing up in the center. This was taken about 1 hour ago, as satellite imagery is now unavailable for Delta, as the sun has fallen and Delta is now not visible. So I am using this imagery, although Delta still looks quite good if I do say so myself. It currently has winds of 75 miles per hour, a pressure of 980 millibars, and its movement is currently at 8 miles per hour. I'm not sure if that west-northwest still stands, so please check with local authorities to see if that still does. This is my intensity forecast. I project it to peak as a Category 3 at around the 3-day mark at 125 miles per hour. I'd give or take that about 10 miles per hour. I say it could peak anywhere around 115 to even 130, 140. This is a real wild card with Delta, although either way, it is likely going to be strong. This is that PDA area, and as you can see, those yellow phases on the Yucatan, and for some portions of Louisiana, Mississippi, and even a small portion of Alabama in there by Mobile Bay. Then some greens around those yellows, and a green showing up on Cuba, with blues scattered everywhere from Jamaica, Cuba, the lower portions of the Yucatan, just behind those greens and yellows on the Yucatan, and of course behind the greens and yellows on the U.S. coast. Now let's look at our actual PDA stage, and as you can see, there's a 7 on the rainfall, a 5 on the wind, and a 4 on the surge, which leads us to a PDA stage 5, or a phase yellow for the Gulf Coast and the Yucatan. The Yucatan will actually likely receive slightly worse impacts, at least wind-wise, if Delta takes a slightly more southern track than expected. Like, it's in the cone, but it's not really expected to pass over the Yucatan. So if it goes slightly more south than expected, then we could be seeing a worse impact for actually the Yucatan Peninsula than the U.S. Although either way, both areas will be impacted quite harshly by Delta, and Delta is likely to be our third major hurricane of this 2020 Atlantic hurricane season. Thank you guys for watching today's update, and if you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. If you want more content like this outside of my YouTube, please check me out on Instagram for updates and things of that sort. Thank you guys for watching, and signing off.